Hi, this is Troxel. In this tutorial, we're going to continue where we left off at the last tutorial. We're going to create a new video track, create a new audio track, and then copy an audio and video event from the current project over into this empty hidden project. So let's see how we can do that. Once again, we're using our project, new project equals myvegas.create empty project. And then we're creating our undo block. Once again, the title of the undo block doesn't matter. Nobody's ever going to see it. Now we're going to add a video track, which I called V-track, to a new video track into this new project, position 0, and we're going to call it video track. And then on our new project .tracks, we're going to add V-track. Now we also create the audio track, which I'm calling A track, which is a new audio track in this new project, position 1, so it's going to be below the video track, and then we're just naming it audio track. Now, once again, in the new project .tracks, we're adding A track. Now, I need to get a couple of events. You noticed in the test project, there are several things on the timeline, so I'm telling it for my video event, I want to look at myvegas.project, the current project, .tracks3, so it's the fourth one down, events 3, the fourth one over. We'll take a look at the project in just a moment and see what that's going to actually select. And then for an audio event, I'm doing myvegas.project.tracks4, events 3. And then I'm going to copy the video event, pass it the video event, the new project, and the new video track. And then I'm going to copy the audio event, which I pass it the audio event, the new project, and the new audio track. Once all that is done, once again, we're saving it as test. So here's the copy video event and copy audio event routines. They're basically identical. First line, we're going to get a new media by doing media.createInstance, and we're using the create instance so that we can create it in that new project, and then we're getting it from the video event or audio event that we pass to the routine from the original project, and it's going to get the active-take.media.file path to load into that new instance of media. Then we're going to get the stream. Naturally, for the video one, we're getting media-type.video. For audio, we're getting media-type.audio. And we're going to get the same stream index indicated by the original media. That way, if for some reason they had picked, say, the second or third audio stream or the second or third video stream, if it had more than one, we would be picking the same one. Then for the copy video, we're creating the new video event in the new project, and we're telling it to start at the beginning of the timeline. Then we're passing it the event length and the event name, and that's from the current ones on the current timeline. So we get the same length and we get the same name. Same thing down here with the audio event. We make sure it goes to the new project, put it at the beginning of the timeline, then they get the event length and the event name. And then, in both cases, we're going to add that new event to the track that we pass to the routine. We have the video and audio tracks that we're passing in, and these are the new tracks in the new project. Now, once again, like we did in the other one, we do our take.createInstance, and we use the create instance so that we can tell it goes into this new project. And then we're passing it the stream that we got up above. So we have take.createInstance, new project.stream, same in both cases. Now in this new event, we're adding the new take. Same thing down here. And then we went ahead and copied the take offset from the event. Naturally, it's in the current project, .activeTake.offset. That way, if the offset in the original file had been changed, then we're going to get the new change in this new hidden project as well. Remember that our numbers are 0 based, so we went down to 3. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. So we should be getting this one right here. And then the next one we went 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0, 1, 2, 3. So we should be getting this audio right here. So let's see if we get this particular clip. The beginning of the timeline should look like this preview screen. Now we open the test project, and you can see that this is the same clip. It's at the beginning of the timeline, and it just copied it over from the original project, and the original product is still fully fine, nothing changed in it. So now we can see that we can actually copy events from the original project over to this new hidden project, and actually that's kind of impressive to me. So we're going to kind of expand on that, and next time we're going to actually select the events that we want copied over and then copy over those specific events. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you at the next tutorial.